Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix lines on your AOC monitor. So what you'll need to do is basically go and unplug your monitor. I can't do that right now because it requires 2 hands. So basically unplug your monitor, and after that, while plugging it, make sure to hold on the menu button. This is the turn off button and this is the menu button. And while you're holding down, you'll see the menu pop up and AOC monitor will turn on, and after that just double click this and it will exit the OSD setup. And basically this will fix your monitor lines. If that doesn't work, what you can try to do is make sure that your power cable is in and perfectly fine, because sometimes it doesn't go all the way in and just flickers the monitor because it just doesn't get a required power to show all the pixels and to work monitor properly. And what you can do is the other method. Just go to the menu, find an extra with the arrows, as you can see, like that, and you can just reset your monitor and see if that works. As you can see, click on the menu button, and then with the arrows you will need to choose yes, and again click on the menu button. And that's how you fix your lines on AOC Monitor. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.